So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to stream multiple platforms in Streamlabs. So first, you need to open your web browser and make sure to access the streamlabs.com and access your account by entering your credentials. And once you access your account, you will see this page, which is you will redirect to the dashboard section. And for you to able to stream multiple platforms, beside the navigation bar, which is on the leftmost corner, once you scroll it down, you will see right here under the earn and grow is the multi-stream. Once you click on that, you will see enable multi-stream here, but take note that you can only access multi-stream if your Streamlabs is upgraded into Ultra. So multi-stream is not available or accessible in free mode. So for you to able to do that, once you enable this one, you will see which platforms that you wanted to stream on. For example, in Twitch, Facebook, as well as YouTube, or even all of this, you could stream in all of the platforms given right here, and you could also add more destinations right here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.